Check this out.
All right, hello guys. We're doing the end of the week report here. You can see we went down by 17 cents here. Buying power 125. So let's go over for our weekly report, see what we got, what I did for the week, and so I keep you guys informed here. All right, so this is Robinhood here. Actually, that's for the day. That is not for the week. All right, so for week on Robinhood, we actually went down by $14. Oh wow! So we lost quite a bit here, down 2.19% here for the week. All right, so let's go over the brief summary here. So far, cash on hand, we have 125 in cash, 86 cryptocurrencies, and 437 invested in stocks. So we are climbing up here on the road to that sweet 1,000, our first milestone. So we actually got a lot of stuff that's actually doing good for us. I actually do want to point out that we did finish our quota for Hexo. We did get Hexo to 100, so we went ahead and took it off our buy list. And so now we're going to be focused on getting another stock to 100. And the stock that caught my eye is MJ. And I'm going to get this to 100 because I noticed it pays out dividends. We actually got paid a dividend from MJ today here. And I think it was 20 cents per 2 shares. So we're actually going to try to get that to 100 and see how much we got for there. But yeah, let's go over see what we got that went down. Lucid Group, which I said that was concerning on the last video, we actually want Lucid Group to start going up, especially since we have this on our quota to get to 100 shares on here. So the fact that it's still going down the second week in a row here is kind of alarming because we put more money into it. That means we'll be losing more money in the long run. Coinbase, we also have on road to 100, and Coinbase is going down also. Robinhood. So we got 3 of our guys, actually Hexo. So we got 4 of our guys here that are actually going down that we're trying to get to 100. I Chap Sunny is still trying to get profit for us, going not good. We just getting started, but it's still going up. Sunny is actually on our list to get to 100 also, and Sunny is still going up. So Sunny been doing good, I think, for 3 or 4 weeks in a row now. So we haven't had any issue with Sunny. Like I said, these are side stocks. We're not focused on these right now, but we will eventually focus on those in the future here. But right now, we're not trying to overextend our budget. Our cryptocurrency, everything is following cryptocurrency. And so, yeah, it's like this has been a bad week for us. But, I mean, there's no cause to panic because stocks will go up, stocks will go down. Everything won't go up all the time. So, no cause for panic on this right here. But just, we will keep an eye on these. We're still like we're doing on track for our first milestone of 1,000 here. Let's see here. Let's see. I guess it's been the transfers. Let's see what the dividends under. Da 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 da. Uh-oh. I forgot how to get to the dividends on this thing. Oh well. Pending. I thought I could get to dividends from here, but I guess not. Well, I don't want to make the video going too long because I can't find a setting I thought I had set up on here. Oh yeah, so this is transfers right here. Okay, let's go on recurring. So we gotta look at on recurring. I probably should went to history. Alright, so we still got some recurring here. We're gonna take off Hexo. We no longer need Hexo on here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy off and recurring. We got that to 100. So booyah, we are done with Hexo. We got Hexo off of there, so we'll probably find something to take its place. This is MJ monthly. We might do MJ weekly, but we got to keep it under our budget here. So I'll go with my budget and make sure I'm not overextending that 150 or 600 a month. Cryptocurrencies still on. All right, so if you guys want to, let me know what you guys think I should get 200 next. Should it be MJ? I guess it might be MJ. MJ, Robinhood. Yeah, there's only 2 cheap ones we see. So we'll probably need MJ or Robinhood. I'm thinking about doing MJ since that is our dividend one and getting that to 100 next. Let's look at our history right here, see if they have the dividends in the history here. And recent. Oh, these just show all right here. Okay, so we'll go to history here and a filter here, and we'll put dividends. All right, so for this, so MJ pays 20 cents per 2 shares, it pays at December 30th. So we did get paid dividends for that. So that's real nice. Uh, so yeah, we're definitely gonna get MJ to 100 because it will help out getting paid those extra dividends on there. And let's check out a price for MJ. Let's check see how much MJ is. Let's check out the price for this bad boy here. Here we are, MJ. It is real cheap, $11. So to get that to 100, we're looking at what, about 100. Add the ones in there, about what, 100 something. Not 100 something. Just do 11 times 100. Sorry guys, it's real late right now. I'm not brain. It's not really the best for math. But yeah, so if we want to get to 100 shares of MJ, we'll be dropping about yeah, $1,109 to get to 100 shares. We'll go there over time. We're not gonna do an impulse buy. No need to do that, but we'll definitely get up to that over time. On M1 Finance here, obviously this won't kick off until next month. So next year, then next week, we'll be doing some M1 Finance updates. So looking forward to that here. We still on track with our. Alright, so yeah, you see right here we got the 100s popping in, that one's panned in, so yeah, we're on track. So next year we're starting off strong, putting the 100s in one finance, and we'll do I'll do monthly interest videos. Yeah, so I'll do monthly interest videos, how much you're getting paid in interest per month, and we'll go over the snowball effect, and I'll go in more detail and more depth with you guys. We're doing I'll do M1 Finance versus Robinhood. Robinhood will be, investing in stocks. M1 Finance will be investing with interest. We'll see which one we'll make more money off of. We'll see if we make more money off of stocks or we make more money off of interest. And this will be a good thing for you guys to see what's more easier for you. For you also. So I'll keep doing my weekly videos, and I'll do my monthly interest. I'm gonna do a monthly interest video for you guys here. A monthly interest video of M1 Finance interest every month and Robinhood interest every month, as well as the interest for M1 Finance Robinhood versus their stock performance in M1 Finance and Robinhood, and you guys can see where it is that you probably can make the most money from. Yeah, so we got some little goals here. So on Robinhood, we're trying to reach it'd be easy to have the right thing pulled up, right? On Robinhood, we are trying to reach $1,000 right here, and maybe in buying power, we're going to get buying power to 1,000, say 1,002, so we get the interest off there. So right now we got 1,000 milestone, 1,000 milestone for here, for investing, 1,000 milestone for buying power, and with finance, we're going to have 1,000 milestone for checking balance. And I guess we'll throw in 1,000 milestone for your balance. So yeah, we're gonna do our road to 1K here. Hope you guys stay involved in the journey, and I cannot wait to see you guys in our next update video.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.